Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I am showing you my Vaseline hair lotion by using which I prevent all my hair problems. So let's get started. Look at my hairs guys before applying this lotion. They are super dry and frizzy at the end. So I'm gonna start with the recipe. All you need Vaseline. I'm taking 2 spoons of Vaseline. You can adjust the quantity according to your hair length and your hair growth. By the way, 2 spoons of Vaseline is enough for me. Next I'm taking coconut oil. I'm gonna take 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Again adjust the quantity. If you having super dry scalp, then and 2 tablespoons of Vaseline is enough. If you having oily scalp, then keep the quantity half a spoon. Like Vaseline quantity should be half a spoon. That's it. You can adjust the oil quantity. That doesn't matter because oil will not give you that much moisturization that Vaseline can give you. So now mix the ingredient. Or another thing is, you can melt the Vaseline by using double boiler procedure or by using microwave. By the way, I do this by using microwave, so I'm gonna show you by applying it. So here I am applying it onto my roots, then I'm gonna apply it on my length, and I'm gonna keep this for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours I will wash it off. This lotion help you to prevent dandruff and to remove dandruff by treating your dry scalp, and it also prevent hair fall with the first use only. Up to 70% it reduces your hair fall. Next is give you frizz free hairs, soft silky shiny hairs. Although if you increase the quantity of Vaseline, then it will gonna be hard to remove it from your hairs. It will take at least 4 wash to remove Vaseline completely from your hairs. Apply this lotion while it is hot or lukewarm, but don't burn your scalp. Be careful while applying it because when it's get cold, Vaseline convert itself in its solid form, and then it will gonna be hard to apply Vaseline lotion on your hairs. So be careful. It is optional to add vitamin E capsule. If you wanna to add, then you can add at least 2 vitamin E capsules or according to your hair length. This lotion helped you to treat dandruff and dry scalp, itchy scalp, frizzy hairs, dry split ends, and it also prevent hair falls. In overall, it will deal with your all hair problems. Just give it a try at least once. Try this lotion once in a week, and that is all. If you like this video and if you enjoyed it, to subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video. I'm gonna be back soon. And one more thing is, I need your motivation, so keep liking my video and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.